Compatible with 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Passenger side, 8,155,004,160. Driver side, 8,156,004,160. High quality. This pair of taillights are equipped with high-quality LED chips, which are durable and can provide sufficient brightness when driving at night. Easy installation. Direct plug and play. No installation guide or instruction included. It is recommended to find installation video or professional installation. Package include 1x driver left side, 1x passenger right side. Pair of high-quality tail light, with bulb. Warranty. We provide 1-year warranty. If you are not satisfied with the product, please contact us as soon as possible and we will solve the problem immediately. Top reviews from the United States. Buy two so they match. These new tail lights look exactly like original units. 2 bolts per light. The remove and install. The new lights come with the ring of little LED lights, but you have to reuse the old upper and lower bulbs. Highly recommend.